Hey there guys, welcome to the start of my walkthrough playlist of the Edexcel June 2018 new specification A-Level Maths Paper 2, which is our pure mathematics 2 paper. As always, I'm going to do each question in its own video. Down below each video you can get to the playlist, the paper 1 playlist, the paper itself, the mark scheme, the formula booklet, and all of my other A-level content, including AQA papers as well. It's all relevant to your revision. Okay, question 1, let's go. Okay, question 1, we have functions. So, g of x is 2x add 5 over x minus 3, where x is greater than or equal to 5. Part A for 2 marks wants us to find g of 5. Okay, so to do this, g of 5 means g of 5. So let's first of all find g of 5. So that's going to be 2 times 5 add 5, which is 15, over 5 take 3, which is 2. So 15 over 2 is 7.5. So g of 5 is g of 7.5. Now that's going to give us 2 times 7.5 is 15, add 5 is 20, over 7.5 minus 3, which is going to give us 4.5. Now we don't really want a decimal in a fraction, so if we multiply the top and bottom by 2, we get 40 over 9. Cool. Okay, then part B for 1 mark wants us to state the range of g, so the values that g can take. So we already know that when x is 5, g is equal to 15 over 2, which is 7.5. Now we know that x can be 5 and anything bigger. So what we need to do is think about what happens as x gets really big. So we could say as x tends to infinity, then we're not really going to care about the plus 5 on the top and the minus 3 on the bottom. So what's going to happen is g of x will tend to 2. It will never be 2, but it will get closer and closer and closer to 2. So we can say then that the range is 2 is less than g of x, which is less than or equal to 15 over 2. So it has to be a strict inequality on the bottom because it will never actually equal to, it will just get closer and closer to 2, but we know that it can equal 15 over 2. Okay, then part C for 3 marks wants us to find the inverse G function stating its domain. So the domain of an inverse function is the range of the function. So straight away we know the domain of G inverse is x is greater than 2 but less than or equal to 15 over 2. Okay, so now to find the actual inverse. So we know, just going to call it G now, is 2x and 5 over x minus 3. Now what we want to do from that is make x the subject and then swap G and x. G is now inverse G. So if we multiply through on the bottom of the fraction, we get x G minus 3G is equal to 2x and 5. Now we're trying to make x the subject, so we get all the x's together. Let's subtract 2x, so we get x G minus 2x. Now let's also add the 3G is equal to 3G and 5. Factorise on the left, x times G minus 2 is equal to 3G and 5. Divide through by the bracket, x is 3G and 5 over G minus 2. So, swap the x and the G. G is now inverse G. So we get 3x and 5 over x minus 2. And then we'll put the domain here as well. So the domain is 2 is less than x, less than or equal to 15 over 2. Cool.